Hello, my little kitties. Welcome to a new adventure here with me, Oliver the Cat, on the learning curve. We want to continue to grow our vocabulary. In order to grow our vocabulary, we need to learn new and fresh words. All right, my little kitties, let's begin. Our first word is yellow. Let's use yellow in a sentence. The sun is yellow. Our next word is red. Let's use red in a sentence. I have 2 red balloons. Our next word is blue. Let's use blue in a sentence. The sky is blue. Our next word is white. Let's use white in a sentence. Look at the white cloud. Our next word is black. Let's use black in a sentence. She has 2 black pencils. Our next word is brown. Let's use brown in a sentence. There are 8 brown pennies. Our next word is green. Let's use green in a sentence. The grass is green. Our next word is purple. Let's use purple in a sentence. I have 2 purple crayons. Our next word is pink. Let's use pink in a sentence. He has 5 pink lollipops. Our last word is 9. Let's use 9 in a sentence. 9 of my friends are here. All right, my little kitties, let's review all of the words that we have learned so far. Yellow, red, blue, white, black, brown, green, purple, pink, 9. All right, my little kitties, we've come to the end of our class. Let's teach other people the words that we have learned today.